Have you ever felt a sudden, sharp pain in your back or abdomen that left you feeling miserable? If so, you may have experienced the agony of a kidney stone. A kidney stone is a hard mineral deposit that forms in the kidneys and can cause excruciating pain as it travels through the urinary tract. But how do you know if you have a kidney stone? Here are 10 signs to look out for. Sign number 1, pain in the back or lower abdomen. One of the most common signs of kidney stones is pain in the back or lower abdomen. The pain can be sharp stabbing or a dull ache. It may also come in waves and be accompanied by nausea or vomiting. The pain may be intense and can last for several hours or days. This occurs when the stones move from the kidney to the ureter, which is the tube that connects the kidney to the bladder. The location of the pain can vary depending on where the stone is located in the urinary tract. If it's in the kidney, the pain may be in the back or side. If it's in the ureter, the pain may be in the lower abdomen or groin. Sign number 2, pain in the groin or testicles. While most people associate kidney stone pain with the back or abdomen, it can also cause pain in the groin or testicles. This can be especially alarming for men. This is because the stones can irritate the prostate gland. Interestingly, some studies have shown that men are more likely to experience this type of pain than women. This may be because men's ureters are longer and narrower, making it more difficult for stones to pass through. If you experience pain in the groin or testicles, it is important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Sign number 3, painful urination. Painful urination, also known as dysuria, is a common symptom of kidney stones. It can feel like a burning or stinging sensation when you pee. This pain is caused by the stone irritating the lining of the urinary tract or obstructing the flow of urine. The pain may be more pronounced at the beginning or end of urination. In some cases, the pain may be so severe that it becomes difficult to urinate. Sign number 4, blood in the urine. Seeing blood in your urine can be a scary sight, but it's another sign of kidney stones. This can be a result of the stone scraping against the inside of the urinary tract and causing damage. The urine may appear pink, red, or brown, and it may have a foul smell. Interestingly, not all kidney stones cause this. It may depend on the size and location of the stone, as well as other factors like your age. And overall health. Blood in the urine can also be a sign of other medical conditions. So it is important to see a doctor if you notice blood in your urine. Sign number 5, frequent urination. While some people with kidney stones may experience painful urination, others may experience a frequent urge to urinate without actually passing much urine. This is known as urinary frequency. This is because the stones can irritate the bladder, causing it to contract more often. So if you find yourself needing to urinate more frequently than usual, it could be a sign of kidney stones. Urinary frequency is more common in women than in men. This may be due to the shorter length of the female urethra, which can make it easier for stones to cause irritation. Sign number 6, cloudy or foul-smelling urine. Kidney stones can also cause changes in the appearance and odor of your urine. Cloudy or murky urine, for example, may be a sign of an infection or inflammation caused by the stone. Foul-smelling urine can also be a symptom of kidney stones when a stone is blocking the urinary tract. Bacteria can build up and cause an infection, leading to a strong odor. Interestingly, the color and odor of your urine can provide clues about what might be causing the problem. For example, a strong fishy odor may be a sign of a urinary tract infection. If you're experiencing changes in the appearance or odor of your urine, along with any of the other symptoms we're discussing, it's important to see a doctor. Sign number 7, difficulty passing urine. Kidney stones can cause a blockage in the urinary tract, which can make it difficult to pass urine. This is known as urinary retention. Urinary retention is a condition where your bladder doesn't completely empty when you urinate. Urinary retention can cause a number of uncomfortable symptoms, including a feeling of pressure or discomfort in the lower abdomen, a weak or dribbling stream of urine, or the inability to urinate at all in severe cases. Urinary retention can cause damage to the kidneys or bladder. Sign number 8, nausea or vomiting. Kidney stones can cause a variety of gastrointestinal symptoms, including nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting can be caused by pain and discomfort associated with kidney stones, as well as by the body's natural response to inflammation and infection. Some people may experience nausea and vomiting before they experience any other symptoms of kidney stones. Sign number 9, fever or chills. In rare cases, kidney stones can cause a fever or chills. This is usually a sign of an infection, which can occur if the stones cause damage to the urinary tract. Sign number 10, fatigue or weakness. Finally, kidney stones can cause fatigue or weakness, particularly if they are causing pain or discomfort for an extended period of time. This occurs because the body is expending energy to deal with the pain and inflammation caused by the stones. Remember, if you experience any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to see a doctor. While kidney stones can be incredibly painful, they're also treatable. Your doctor can help you manage the pain and recommend appropriate treatments to help dissolve or remove the stone. And by making some lifestyle changes, such as drinking more water and avoiding certain foods, you can help prevent future kidney stones from forming. If you are interested in other health-related videos like this, then check out 5 warning signs of fatty liver. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.